Hello, hello. So I thought I would do some kind of 5.1 audio test because I'm actually recording with OBS 5.1 surround sound. And right now you can see my microphone, it's recording on all channels. And that's because I set the microphone as mono. So that's why it actually records on all channels. I have separate sort of audio channels for different apps and stuff. And I use voice meter for this, so you can see the microphone stuff. You got the music one, browser, then also VLC. These 5 are just stereo normally, and these 3 over here can handle 5.1 audio, and that's why I have VLC on this one, because VLC support 5.1 audio. And yeah, so for example, if I just use a browser, and this is one of my own videos, the latest one kind of. And so if I play that one, and I go into OBS, not really blur out, you see it only records 2 channels, addresses and also DNS, just here. Stereo. So you can't really hack me. So that's how that works. And if you look at the VLC section here, when I have this sort of video with 5.1 sort of test audio, so you can see the different channels. And of course, this recording will also be like this. So, but on YouTube, if you just use a browser like this, or with this one, you will only get stereo. But if you have a TV, watch YouTube on TV with 5.1 surround. So this is why I'm doing this test video, because I don't know if it's just for this library of shows and movies. So I don't know if it's just YouTube having the movies and stuff, or if regular players can upload 5.1 surround sound. So if you have like a TV that is 2021 or later, or a Chromecast or whatever, you're supposed to get a control bar, and you can, this is sort of an icon over there, you can turn on and off the surround sound. I have a Chromecast myself, but I don't have a surround sound system connected to my TV. I tried to connect the Chromecast directly to my surround sound amplifier, but that didn't work. I made a video about that. I will put a link to it in the video description. The receiver, there's some kind of copyright protection, I think, because it didn't work. So yeah, you can try this on your TV and see if you can actually get surround sound. If you have like a sound bar or whatever connected to your TV. So yeah, just take a look at this VLC audio sort of graph here. So let's start this video.
Front left, front center, front right, right surround, left surround. You've been listening to the Fraunhofer HEAAC audio codec, operating at a bitrate of 160 kilobits per second for 5.1 channels.
Yeah, so that's that. You see the graphs on different channels going up and down. So yeah, I hear just perfectly the surround sound in my speakers, left, center, right. So yeah, so this will just be a kind of a test video. I'm going to see if this will work on my TV as well, and connect the amplifier later on to TV, because you have the Chromecast connected to just an HDMI port on the TV, and then the TV have an ARC port. It's basically an output, and that goes to the surround sound amplifier. So I don't know, it kind of should work. So yeah, catch you later.